Do you have a ghost door that opens or closes by itself? Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become more self-sufficient and save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button down below and join our crew. If you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video drops. So what we've got is a door that opens by itself. And the fix we're going to show you can be used if it's one of the doors that opens or closes by itself. It won't stay where you want it to. Now, you have 3 hinges on the door, on this particular door. Some doors you'll only have 2 hinges. So the fix we're going to show you, you're going to use either the bottom hinge or the middle hinge. So what we're going to do is you take just a screwdriver and a hammer, and we're going to take this pin out. So you just put it underneath the lip of the door pin, the hinge pin, lightly tap. Now, if it's not coming like this is, if you have a hole in the bottom, you can use either a nail or the screwdriver. The screwdriver is thin enough, it'll go up in there. And there we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to go outside to where we've got concrete. And we're going to put just a little bit of a bend in this nail. Not going to bend it a whole lot, but just enough that it's going to cause some friction. So let's go. Just going to try to put a little bend in the nail about 1/3 of the way down. Now you can see we've got a good bend, a little bit of a bend in there. One tap to make sure. Now we'll go reinstall it. All right, so we're gonna tap it back in. Now, as you can see, it's creating enough friction. The door is staying wherever we put it. So that's just a quick 5-minute fix. Exercise your ghost door. Thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman. Hope you dig what we're doing. If you do, hit that subscribe button down below, join the crew, and hit that ship's notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new tip to help you become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. Here's to smooth sailing.